trying something new. Hey everyone, it's Cassie Cat here, and I thought we'd do new recipe day. Yay! It's the morning, so why not make some kind of healthy muffin breakfast things so it's kind of like a guilt-free treat. So I found this recipe and let's go try it out. Greek yogurt, a banana, 1 egg, baking powder, baking soda, brown sugar, oats, chocolate chips. There, you can see it all. That's all you need. So first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Mash up your banana. Measure out a half cup of Greek yogurt and mix that in. Scramble 1 egg, 1 cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a half teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And then you're gonna mix it all up and put it in your 6 paper cups. And once they're all good and in there, you're gonna pop it in the oven for about anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. And they are done. Now you can just take them on out and they should be nice and browned on the top. They're done, and I have one here. They seem really soft because it's still hot, but yeah. Got one that looks like it's got lots of chocolate chips in it because hey, it smells very banana bread-ish, probably because of the banana. It's really soft. They're not bad. It kind of just tastes like banana bread with chocolate chips in a way. I want to say if you like banana bread, you'll like this a lot. Pretty good. So hot. I don't know if you can see the steam. It's good, you guys. I'd try it. I'd probably make it again. I think I would. Especially knowing like it doesn't really have that guilt. Like the only thing really is the chocolate chips. Which, you know, in a small amount, I think it's still good for you. It's healthy. You know? Hot. It's so hot. I should have waited longer. Bye!